Hi there everyone, back with another video, and in this video again we will be learning an important concept in JavaScript. It's an callback function. Before we get started, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and also hit that bell button so that you will be notified whenever I come up with a new video. So with that being said, let's begin with callback function. Again guys, I just want to give you a quick note, because if you want to understand a callback function, you need to understand first a function expression. So without knowing anything about function expressions, you can't it is impossible to learn callback function. So I suggest you to go back to the previous video in this playlist and watch that video about function expression, where I have explained about in depth about function expression. So again, after watching that function expression, come back to this video and learn about callback function, because without knowing function expression, this video will be a wild ride, right? So with that being said, let's begin with a callback function. So I'll just declare a function like minor over here. So it is the name of the function, and in the body I'll just have console.log. So I will have, let me say, you are, yeah, I'm sorry, you are not, yeah, it's you are minor. So this is a function. So again I will have some other function called as question. So this is also another function. So in this function I will receive a parameter like param. So this is a parametered function. So now what I'm gonna do here is I will just do something called as this, right? So now whatever I receive here, I will be calling it back again, that parameter. So now this is, again guys, this is the function expression, the thing that we have learned in the previous lecture, or yeah, lecture or video, whatever you call it, yeah, previous video. So now what I'm gonna do here is I will call question function and I will pass minor function. So now what will be the output? Of course it will print you are minor. The reason is because I'm passing minor function to this question function, and in this question function, and again I'm calling it back again the received parameter inside this function, right? So it received the function and call it back again the same function, and this function will be executed, and hence we have got you are minor, right? So again I will just modify this quickly. Again guys, this is all about callback, right? So I have passed the minor function, and again in this function I'm executing the receive the thing. So this is calling back again the same thing which we have received. So this is all about callback, and I will just modify this with a real-time thing. So instead of doing this, I will have some if condition over here. So instead of if, what I'm gonna do here is, instead of prompt, so I will be prompting the user like what's your, yeah, what's your age. So he will be entering his age. So I need to check that age over here. In the if condition, I will just say if the entered age is less than 18, of course he is a minor, so I will be calling what, param, right? So again I will just copy this entire thing and paste it over here and make some changes over here, like instead of minor I'll just say major, and I'll also change the text over here like major. And yeah, we have got major and minor functions. So I need to have another parameter, because we are dealing with the two callbacks function, right? So I'll just say param1. So yeah, if the age is less than 18, I'm calling minor function. Else what I'm gonna do here is, again I will call back what, a major function which is in param1, right? So what I'm gonna do here now, I need to send major function as well. So now I refresh the page, you can see that the browser prompt says, so now if I enter less than 18, just like 1, so it's a baby now. So of course it prints what, you are minor, right? So this is what it is guys. We have two callback functions and we are passing that functions over here to this function called as question. So based on the user, the prompt, based on the condition, we are calling again any one of those received function, right? So if I just refresh the browser and if I enter like 50, of course it should call this major function, right? So this is it, guys. This is it all about the real-time scenario and the example about callback functions in JavaScript. And make sure that you know this and work around with and practice it. So this is all about it. And make sure that you subscribe and also hit that bell button and share, like. And also again, guys, I want to know your status of your course project, right? So yeah, it's not course project, yeah, we are of the assignment. And see you in the next video.